Swing Like a Girl, we kind of came up because I used to play with a lot of men and CEOs and companies, and towards the end of the round, they're like, man, I really wish I could swing like you. I wish I could swing like a girl. And it was a bit of a joke, a bit tongue-in-cheek, and I'm obviously a little bit sarcastic, so it fit with me.
Okay, so you're going to take us on a hike with Macy.
Yes.
It shows how you can,
That's
get
what we
fit.
do. We get outside, and it's a little chilly, but that's okay. We dress warm, and we just hit the trails and hit the golf course because there's nobody out there anymore, and we just go and have fun.
Macy's entourage coming through.